am back today. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video, the story time from Kyle. He decided to take over. I think I was a bit pooped and ouch, and yeah, he suggested that he do story time, and I thought that'd be really fun and kind of cool that you guys could hear about how we met, first-hand account from him. I think it's one of his favorite stories to tell. But yeah, I just got back from watching Venom and I thought it would be a good time to get into some Korean. So last week I made a video and I kind of said this was like a placeholder for me talking more about learning Korean, and yeah, so I had a busy week and I didn't get to where I wanted to be with practicing Korean. I found that I spent most of the week while I was on my apps just relearning all the things I had already learned. So most of it was spent doing like those kind of strengthen your words or strengthen your sentences kind of activities, and they were never ending. It was basically just making me strengthen everything because I hadn't been on them in so long. So I didn't really get very far with that. I did some testing out on Duolingo, so I tested out of a bunch of the easier stuff that I knew that I just kept getting asked over and over, and I was like, why am I asked this? This is so dumb. Like, I know this off by heart. I'm never going to forget this. So I just tested out of those levels, and that was pretty easy to do. But there's like, I don't know, 30 questions or something to test out. So that took forever too. So I tested out of most of the first few like levels, the first few modules. I thought that a good start for me would be to kind of test my ability and to see where I'm at. So I decided that I was going to do, it's on Talk to Me in Korean, and it's called a level test, but it's like an ability test, like to test my ability to see how far I am. I thought it'd be nice to do an ability test and to see where I'm at with my Korean and where I can like get started and get stuck in again. But yeah, I think the only way for me to go forward is to know where I'm at. So this is what we're doing today. We're gonna test my ability and see how good I am at Korean right now, and how much I remember, how much I don't know, how much is second knowledge, and how much is not. So first thing, wait, why is the first one, it seems so, what's the word? Shouldn't it start with how to say hello? I'm just kidding. Okay, the first question, how do you say mobile phone in Korean? Mobile phone, cell phone. Handphone, which is correct, handphone. Hamster, what's that? Hamster. Kabang, bag. Handphone. Kind of cell phone, handphone, it was close enough. Submit. Correct, yes, I'm so happy it tells me if I've got it right, because that would just be really sad to see at the end how badly I did. How do you say, do you have apples? Sakwa. Yeah, 사과 있어요? 사과 있어요? Yeah. How do you say hello in Korean? Thank you. Finally back to my level of things where I feel comfortable. 안녕하세요. 안녕. 안녕하세요. No, we're not going to go through that. It's too long if I keep going like that. Next, I'm not going to read all of them. That will take forever. Oh, I'm on to the next step. Yes. How do I say, oh my god. How do you say I get up? Wayo. No, wayo is something else. Where's wayo? It's either buryoyo. No, I know what buryoyo is. Oh my god. It's so annoying. I think it is iranaya. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I was like, I have this feeling. And yeah, the other two, I know both of those, and I just don't know what they mean right now. So yeah, we need to learn that. How do you say it's delicious? Mashisaya. There we go. Correct. Yeah. How do you say I go? 저는 가요. Wait, I go. Yeah, 가요, right? Not 가다. That'd be strange. Yeah. But yeah, how do you say I ate? 저는 먹어요. Oh my god, this is so hard. Okay, oh no, it's not that. 먹었어요. Oh shoot, this is difficult. Makaseo, no, 먹어. This one, number 3. Yes. How do you say I want to study? 저는 알고 싶어요. 알고 싶어요. 공부하고 싶어요. I feel like it's 공부하고. I feel like that's wrong, but I'm gonna click it. But is it 알고 싶어? I think it's 알고 싶어요. I'm gonna be so mad. Oh no, I got it right. Is this like a I feel like I'm like really guessing my way through this one now. We're in the guessing stages, guys. How do you say I want to sleep? A lot of it is a feeling. That's the thing with learning Korean. Any language, to be honest. It's a lot of feeling. How do you say I want to sleep? 저는 자고 싶어요. Yes, it is 자고 싶어요. Is it 자고? No, it's not. No, it's 자고 싶어요. I want to go to bed. Yes. How do you say but? 그래서 그리고 oh man, this one is 그런데. All of them are but. It's a trick question. 그래서 no, I think like that means but then and then. Like not 그래서, not and then. I don't know. I'm so tired. This is a bad idea. Why did I do this in the evening? 그리고 그런데. I feel like all of them are correct. Is that a trick question? Someone tell me. I don't know. How do you say so? Oh, maybe it wasn't a trick question. Because now we got so. Well, it's kind of the same, but so. No, it's not the same. I don't know why I said that. So is. It's not grande. Did I just do grande? Which one did I do? Yeah, I did. 그리고. 그래서. Nah, I feel like that's something else. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I got it right. How do you say Sunday? Oh, crap. 일요일? Is 일요일 Sunday? It's not 목요일. I think that is Thursday. It's not 수요일 because that's Wednesday. It's 일요일, which is the first and the last day. I haven't done my days of the week in a long time. How do you say how many people are there? 명 있어요. I think it's that one. Yay! See, I can read. Yes. How do you say I'm not busy at all? I am not busy at all. 조금. Incorrect. Finally, I got one wrong. What was it? 전혀. Okay, close enough. Not close at all. Okay, we're getting in. This is where I'm going to start to struggle. I can feel it coming. How many candies do you want to eat? Okay, I'm at the point where I'm like, candies. How the hell do I say candy? Okay, we know it's 먹고 싶어요 because that's to eat. I feel like it's this one, number 2. Oh, Abby, you're guessing. No, it's que. Oh my gosh, not myung. Que, sit down. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna struggle now. Oh, I finished. Oh, it's complete, guys. You are in level 2 of the Talk to Me in Korean curriculum. Here are our first recommended courses for you. If you want to browse more courses, check out the curriculum page. Test again. Recommended for me. Level 2 Korean grammar. It's so funny because that's where I stopped doing Talk to Me in Korean, at level 2. Hopefully this week is not going to be as busy as last week is, so I can actually get some Korean done. And I've been back on Duolingo. If you're in the Duolingo group that we have going, you will see I've been on there a couple of times. But I'm also doing Lingo there, and I might get back into Talk to Me in Korean now that I've done this. So I used Talk to Me in Korean a lot before I left. That's like literally the only thing I learned Korean with, like the only resource other than Rosetta Stone that I used before I left to go to Korea. So maybe I should get back into that. So I think I'm gonna try. Until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow is actually a challenge video that I'm doing with my friend Paolo, and yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys that. And I hope you enjoy it. It is a Korean challenge of sorts, and we're also doing one on his channel, so I'm really excited to get that up. See you tomorrow. 안녕.